Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and this time we're checking out something from Fifine. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Now we're going to unbox it and then we're going to see how it sounds. Okay, so this is the Fifine M9. It's a wireless Lavalier microphone system. Big thank you to them for sending it out. I'm actually looking forward to this. I'm always on the look for much better Lavalier mics to use for videos. So it's got active noise cancellation, up to 100 feet range, and a battery for 5 to 6 hours. Wireless microphone, receiver, charging case, that's what comes in there, features. So let's have a look, shall we? First of all, you greet with the manual. Now the manual is going to actually tell you how to use it. Essentially, it's very easy to use, quite honestly. You don't actually need software. That's all you do is put in your phone and it's quite done, to be honest. But tells you how to power it on. Obviously tells you about the case it comes with, which is chargeable, and it looks like it's your type C, so it's very good. But there, charging battery. But there, so that's the manual. Very basic, but it has all the information you actually need for using for a Lavalier mic. Now let's open this up. Okay, so very nice carry bag, very nice actually, especially for a microphone. Okay, so you're greeted with, this is a Fifine, so this will be for going into the microphone, that'll be for going into your mobile, into your phone. There's the charging cable, which is type C, fantastic to see. Let's have a look in here. Okay, so we have these go on the mics themselves. It's just to stop initial noise. But here then we got phone, we've got obviously for camera setup as well. So that's it there. And then we got this carry case, which is quite nice, just basic, but this is the actual microphones. Very small, very dainty to use. The only thing I don't like about these particular ones is the clip. I would prefer magnets, but that's just me. Then of course then you got the receiver by here, which is very intuitive. It's got a lot of different functions, as you can see there, A and B. But then it actually gives you an indicator to tell you which microphone's actually on, and then it tells you the sync it and MS. Now it does do type C charging, and it does come with two. Very easy to use, very easy. And once that's just on, that's on. And then of course a charging case. So let's get this actually put on, and then you guys can tell the difference between other lav mics I've got here. Okay, so this is the M9 Fifine microphone. Now this does have the active noise cancelling on, which does show you an indicator LED there. And yes, it's working as far as I can tell. Whether you guys like the overall sound, that's going to be completely up to you. But I'm now going to say how to enable XMP. And now I'm going to turn it off and do another recording. Okay, and this time the LED indicator is off. So yeah, now what I'm going to say is how to enable XMP. And please let me know if it sounds any different. And this is the one that I actually use in every video. This is the Neewer, and this one is one of the best Lavalier mics I've ever used. It's the CM28. It's a fantastic kit, but this has active noise cancelling anyway, so it's fine. So here we go. How to enable XMP. Okay, and this one is actually the Maono, and this one is not like the Fifine. This one's actually very similar, but the only problem with this one is you do need active software, which is a bit of a bummer. But this is the Wave T5, and this is how it sounds. How to enable XMP. Okay then, so what do you think of that? It's a very simple video because this is a very simple product. It just plug and play. There's no software included, which is one of the things that I do look for Lavalier mics. That is something I don't particularly want to have, that is software. That is one of the main issues when it comes to Lavalier mics, especially if you have to use software in order to use it. That is a big no-no in my case. But what I will say about this one, it's a very nice Lavalier microphone. Yeah, the noise cancelling isn't exactly the overall best, but for the price range, you can adjust it as well, which is very simple. You could adjust it and stuff. It just plug and play. There's no software required. There's nothing like that. So there's nothing that's going to really be a pain to deal with. It's very compact. It has very good systems here. 2 mics, and then it's got a receiver here. And obviously, it's got a lot of different feature set here when it comes to phones, cameras, and I think it's very good for the overall package you get. And also, it's Type-C charging, which is fantastic. Now, this is around £75, which it's not the cheapest. The one they did previously to this one is probably the cheapest one. You can probably get it on AliExpress for like £20. But this is more of a mid-range to that kind of Lavalier mic. They do get expensive. They go over £100, or if you get something from like Node, which is like £300 for a Lavalier mic, is ridiculous. To be honest, the ones I use aren't that expensive. They're between the £50 to £100 mark, which is fantastic. Now, it's a very good microphone. It comes with a lot of different functions. Obviously, like I said, camera, phone, stuff like that. Now, if this one I use from Neewer ever breaks, then of course I've got a fantastic backup just in case. That's the only time I'll probably use it, but it's also good to have a spare around the place when you're a content creator, because you never know when something's going to malfunction. And quite honestly, it's a good lav mic for the price. So yeah, look, if you want to buy one, please check out the link down below. You don't have to buy one. That's not exactly me telling you. I don't need to tell you. You don't have to buy it if you don't want to. But this is just going to say that I've given this as a recommendation, especially for the price point. So, yeah. Look, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out the rest of the channel. I've got hundreds of videos of something definitely going to catch your eye, or something you might be interested in. I've got loads of stuff coming. I've got motherboards. I've got absolute loads of stuff coming, and stuff that's already here for me to review. But I need to get some of the reviews over with. So, yeah. Look, I hope you guys have a fantastic week and weekend ahead of you. This is Rich for WELSHYTECH. Goodbye.